Welcome to the Niagara Falls Wet Jet Tour, where thrill seekers come to experience the raw power of nature up close with ToNiagara. Today, we're embarking on an exhilarating journey through the raging rapids of Niagara Falls. But before we dive in, let's go over the details to ensure you have an unforgettable adventure. Our journey begins here at 55 River Frontage Road. Once you're here, head to our registration desk, where you'll complete necessary participation agreements and attend a mandatory safety orientation. Safety is our top priority, so please pay close attention during the orientation. With registrations complete and safety briefings done, it's time to board our jet boat tour. Step aboard and get ready for the ride of a lifetime. Whether you're seated at the front, back, or middle, you're guaranteed to experience the full force of the Niagara Falls rapids. And yes, you will get soaked, so embrace it. Hold on tight as we plunge into the heart of Niagara Falls. Feel the adrenaline rush as the boat surges through the swirling waters, offering an up-close encounter with one of nature's most awe-inspiring spectacles. And don't forget to capture those unforgettable moments with your waterproof cameras. As our tour wraps up, head back to the docking area to retrieve your belongings from our provided lockers. Don't forget to utilize our free changing rooms to swap into dry clothes and footwear. Niagara Falls Wet Jet Tour includes everything you need for a safe and thrilling adventure. Book your adventure today with ToNiagara and experience the wonder like never before. Happy travels!